Hey guys, Rolando from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be working on this 2016 Infiniti QX60 side view mirror removal and installation. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification, and also hit that like button. If you guys need this mirror for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. So let's get started. So first we're going to go ahead and open the door. And on this particular vehicle right here, we're actually going to have to take off the door panel. So the tools that we're going to be needing that I know of right now is going to be a flathead screwdriver, a screwdriver, Phillips, and also a 10 millimeter right there. Alright, so first we got to get the covers off. So we're going to go ahead and get that flathead and pry this area. So we don't damage that leather. Take that off. And you're gonna reveal like 10 millimeter right here. So go ahead and take that off. And also, we're gonna link the product up here. So if you guys need a side view mirror, again, the product is gonna be linked up there. All right. So next, there's like this cover right here, which I've never seen before, but on this Infiniti QX60, the cover's right here. Usually when we take off the door panel, usually this cover's right here, but the cover's on the side this time. So get something soft, or if you guys use one of these metal things, just be careful you don't mess up your leather. Oops. So it's better if you hit up on this corner right here and then just pry it out. So again, that's going to be a 10 millimeter right there. So get an extension on your socket wrench and you should be able to take that off. So once it's loose enough, you can just go ahead and take it out by hand. This one's not loose enough. Alright. So once it's kind of loose, you can go ahead and take it off of the wrench itself so you can maneuver a little bit better. Or if you had a longer extension, that would do miracles also. But mine was just too short. Go ahead and take off those two bolts right there. So you're going to reveal two. And then you're going to gently pry it off on one side right here. So use your other hand, kind of have leverage right here, and then pull it. Like that, and then go to the other side and pull that too. So you hear it pop, then when you hear all of it pop, now you're gonna go ahead and pull up like that, and then put the door panel to the side like that. All right, so right here is the cable for the side view mirror. We're not gonna take that off just yet, but we are gonna take off this cover right here. So you go ahead and pull it. So you saw how easy that was to take off. So let me put that back on. All you do is pull it, take a corner right here and a corner right here, and you pull it at the same time and it should pop right off. Okay. All right, so now you're gonna reveal these screws right here. They're gonna be 10 millimeters. Let's see if this small short socket right here will work. It does. So we don't need a longer extension or longer socket. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Go ahead and just loosen them all up. Alright, so you can go ahead and take it off with your fingers once they're all loose. So remember, don't take this cable right off. Don't disconnect the cable right now, because just in case the mirror falls down, it doesn't go all the way down and damage your door. Alright, there we go. So now we can go ahead and hold this one right here and disconnect it. So just go ahead and there's like a little pin right here. You push down on it and you hear that click and then pull up. Alright, so hold on to it, okay? Don't let it go because this thing might just come down. So go ahead and with your other hand, grab it and kind of swivel it off So it might get stuck right here, but when you swivel it or kind of like move it around, it'll come right off. Slide it out. And that's how you take off that mirror right there. Oh, this one has a camera. So just make sure whenever you guys order the side view mirror from us, make sure you know all the features, okay? So this one has a camera. Some of them don't have cameras. This one has a turn signal. This one is a heating unit right here. So just make sure whenever you guys order this particular mirror or any mirror from us, you know exactly what features you have. Or if you don't know, go ahead and use your VIN number. Usually like right here on the side or on the dash itself right here. You have your VIN number. Go ahead and call that into the dealership and they'll tell you exactly what part number, and you can give that part number to us and we'll go ahead and locate that mirror for you. But let's go ahead and let's go ahead and finish up with this project. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall this. I know this is not the brand new one, but just for video purposes, we got my wife's car right here. We're doing a demonstration on taking off her side view mirror. So go ahead and slide it back into place. So make sure you got that plug in there. Slide it into place. And then make sure the holes and the studs match up. And then there's like this middle piece right here, which is plastic. That's like a guide. So go ahead and slide it in there. Hold this, then put it in. Okay. So you hear it click like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws on there. We're just gonna go ahead and hand tighten it for right now because we're gonna check the mirror, make sure everything's working. All right. So go ahead and turn on the car. So make sure all the functions work. It closes, it opens, kind of moves around, up and down. And then last but not least, check that turn signal if you have one. All right, when everything's working, go ahead and turn off that car so you don't breathe in too much of that gas, or you're gonna stop working. All right, so go ahead and once you get, oh actually, we gotta put that cover back on. Oh, I made that joke and almost messed up. All right, so go ahead and tighten up the bolt. Remember, you don't want to force it too much. Once you feel it grip, go ahead and just one turn, that's it. Go to the next one. Like that. All right. So now everything's tightened. You're gonna go ahead and Jesus. Hold on. Let me turn off this car. Oh, the door's open. It won't turn off. Oops. All right. So now go ahead and put this cover on. So line it up and then press it into place, just like that. So now go ahead and take your, ooh, the weather stripping's broken. So go ahead and slide it into place. So remember, it goes over first, like that, and then press down on it. And then go ahead and line up the holes. So right here, there's a, you can see this hole right here. So line up that push pin right there, just like that. You hear that click again, and if everything's lined up, you go ahead and push down. You hear all that clicking noise. Go ahead and grab that door handle, make sure it's tight, and then go ahead and put that bolts back into place. So there's gonna be 2 right here. Oops. And then go ahead and put that cover back into place. Make sure it clicks and it's not loose anymore. And then last but not least, put this last bolt right here. Then, ow. Then put that cover into place. Okay. Alright guys, so that's how you remove and install a 2016 Infiniti QX60. If you guys need this mirror, go ahead, press this link above. Thank you. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.